Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. For those of you who don't know, last week was my birthday, so the 2nd of September, and I put the money that I got from my nan and my mum and dad to get myself a little toy. So here it is, a Karcher K2 pressure washer, and let's get it built up and then go test it out.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Right, that's pretty easy to get together. I've not even looked at the instructions. They can stay there. So let's go outside, plug it in and give it a whirl. I've got a very, very dirty bike to clean.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
I think that is a great success. Super, super clean. Super shiny. A few little mucks. Give the chain a quick lube. We are done. The Karcher did an awesome job on the bike. Let's see what it does on the car. Right, so this is the new wagon, and it is filthy. Dirt all over. Right, so that's the first time I've washed this car since we bought it. Nearly 1,000 miles. I'm pretty happy with how it's come out. Probably need to work my get a bit more used to the snow foam stuff, because I kind of expected it to do a bit more than it did, but that's maybe just the product or whatever. But the car has come out pretty clean. So yeah, super impressed with this. Now the only thing I would say, the cable isn't particularly long, and the Karcher is quite light. I did pull it over at one point because I got stuck, because I thought it was longer than it was, and it just toppled over. So there's not really any weight in this unit. It's a little bit more stable, possibly with the handle down, but there's no water or anything in it, so it just goes straight into the pump and out the pipe. So it's probably the only negative I found. It's not really very even here. So yeah, a little bit light. Cable could do with being a little bit longer, but overall, super job. Really impressed. Right, so that is the end of this video. That is my Karcher K2 pressure washer. I am super happy. It was £119 from Toolstation, next day delivery. I ordered it yesterday afternoon, which is Sunday. It's arrived Monday morning. Phenomenal service. So super happy, and hopefully going forward I'll have a bit more clean stuff. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the content, please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. I will leave a link for this Karcher washer in the description down below as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.